Once again, welcome to birds section. You can see here beautiful bird. Yes, children, this is scarlet macaw bird. See how it is very beautiful, is it not? Yes. So zoo is a place to safeguard wildlife and birds. While visiting a zoo, we should not tease them or misbehave with them. Visiting a zoo helps us to learn about different types of birds and also animals. See this bird, red-billed toucan bird. Yes. So visiting a zoo helps us to learn about different types of birds. Children, you will enjoy their movements. You will learn about different types of birds and also animals and get knowledge about the birds. Yes, you'll get knowledge about the bird. And you can see the parrot. Yes. See how it is playing with the other parrot. Animals and birds do control and balance our environment. They have a great importance in our lives. It is true, children. You can see colorful parrot. Red and green Ara parrots. See how beautiful it is. Even you can see Elcatus parrot.